everyone, let's know about business. Business is an important economic activity. Business has two main objectives. They are economic objective and social objective.
Economic objectives of a business are earning reasonable profit, enable the business to cover the cost, allow the businessman to lead a normal and comfortable life, use the available resources to produce goods and services to the consumers.
Social objectives. Business produce goods and supply to development of our nation. It provides salaries and fair wages to improve the living of standard life. Business contributes here to development of our nation and by paying taxes, rate, and by studying schools, hospitals, colleges, etc.
Today let's know about trade. Trade is a part of business, buying and selling of goods. It is of two types. They are home trade or internal trade, foreign trade or international trade.
Home trade. Trade within the country is called home trade, carries through the retailers and wholesalers.
Retailers carry out their own trade at place where consumers live. They buy goods from the wholesalers and sell them to the retail customers. They take the various services to the consumers. Some of them are the last connecting links in the distribution of goods, and they produce different goods produced by the different producers to the consumers. They meet the demands of the consumer. They take the risk of loss or loss of goods in the business to the consumer. They provide credit facility to the consumers and tell about newly available goods in the market and suggest alternative goods produced by the producers to the market. It is not available in the market.
Retail trade is carried in two different ways. Permanent shop. Here is the Dheeraj with his permanent shop.
Stationery shop. I am selling books, bottles, pencil box, bags, pens, etc.
This includes hawkers. Here is the Janvi and Vijay as hawkers.
ತರಕಾರಿ ಬೇಕಾ ತರಕಾರಿ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸೊಪ್ಪುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಣ ಕಟ್ಟಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಂಬಳಿಕಾಯಿ ಕುಚ್ಚಿನ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇಶನಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸೊಪ್ಪುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆರಿ ಬಂದ ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ವಾಲ್ಗೂ ಊದಿತ್ತು ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಬಂದ ನುಗ್ಗೆಕಾಯಿ ಡೋರು ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸೊಪ್ಪುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ಪರವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ತೈತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
I am milkman. I will my daily rotation. I will go for home to home and give for milk all of them, and I will keep all of their health good and strong. I will give them protein, vitamin, calcium, etc. And they will also help me.
Feathers has Asha and Aman.
Kerchief wants kerchief, different types of kerchief. Kerchief, type of kerchief.
Tarun and Karthik has footpath traders.
I am selling agricultural tools.
I am selling sports items like shuttle bat, volleyball, bats, balls, etc.
Weekly markets take place at the towns and villages once in a week. The traders come here and sell their products to the consumers. The other specialty of these weekly markets are villagers bring their products and sell them here. Example: vegetables, fruits, earrings, pouches, agricultural implements, etc. With the money they get, they buy their requirement. At some places, yearly fairs take place and the traders gather and sell their products. Here is the weekly market. I am selling frames. It helps for embroidery. I am selling different kinds of pouches. Earrings. I am selling fresh and juicy fruits. I am selling flowers.
We are selling kerchiefs.
Nose pins, earrings, eyelashes, bling bling, highlighter, wallet, lipstick, pink pink.
You can miss the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you.
Wholesalers buy goods in large quantity and sell them to the retailers in less quantity. They generally deal with one or two types of goods.
Wholesalers help retailers in many ways such as supplying goods to the retailers in small quantities.
They provide care facilities to the retailers whenever required. They advise goods on behalf of the retailers.
They supply market and to the retailers.
They do not keep by margin of profit.
They render some services to the producers such as market rates, prices, and test to the consumers. They advertise on behalf of producers. They also provide storage facilities for goods.